uh, problem related to customized information, right? So then this is developed in response to some specific requirements related to a marketing problem or any particular data requested by a manager. Uh, Normally, recurrent information, frequently happening information, monitoring what is happening in the marketplace, they can get. And problem, they when they are encountering any problem, they try to find the solution. So that's why they can use the primary or secondary data through the survey or research to find the solution. And so the customer complaints and feedback, normally they can have a customer's compliance and then use that. Say, for example, one smartphone company receives multiple complaints about the battery life of their new model, right? Sometimes battery quickly drain. So then they are having a disappointment about the battery lifetime, so that's why they are giving their feedback or compliance, and then they can have this information. The company so maintains a database where each complaint is logged, right? So with the details like a model, issue, description, customer demographics, and then they from that information what they can do by analyzing the logs or the records, the company discovers that 30% of complaints are related to by 30 lifetime. So, so then specifically for users who have installed and certain software updates and then they experience that is quickly training. So what they can do with that information, the insight, right? So they try to find a way to improve the battery lifetime to the phones. Sometimes they withdraw their phone from the market and they right fix it and again they introduce so give it back to the customers. Uh, so then these feedbacks always help them, right? So to improve the customer satisfaction and retention by addressing critical these battery issues quickly and transparently, and that can help them. Like that, declining the sales report also, you see, a clothing retailer notices a 15% drop in the sales for their winter jacket, right? So winter jacket means the winter period when they can have the jackets to prevent from this hold. So then the retailer conducts analysis of sales data and they from which region sales is dropping, which store location so sales is dropping, and which demographic right, so with the young, so elders, so male or females like that, and the time period also, then they can right analyze. They also compare it against the past person sales, right, understanding reasons. The analysis reveals that the decline is most pronounced in urban areas. So then they identified the decline in the urban areas, particularly among the youngsters, because youngsters are more uh, towards the sustainable products, but they feel this particular the cloth is not sustainable, so that's why they don't want to purchase it. Then they try to purchase from the competitors because there may be some sustainable products may be available in the market. So then company can understand this and they can take some actions to provide the eco-friendly products to keep the customers right with them. Uh, like that, the competitive move also another aspects you can see here. One beverage company learns that a competitor has launched a new healthier line of energy drinks. So then information they can gather about now what kind of health drinks the competitors is going to introduce, right? Through the marketing intelligence, through social media and industry reports, they can understand this. And the new product launch is analyzed in terms of market share, how the competitors can capture the market share, how customers are going to respond to the new product because, customers always prefer the healthy rings. So that's why the competitor is going to introduce the healthy rings. And pricing strategy also, they can observe what type of price they are going to introduce. So the company notices a shift price in consumer preferences towards this healthy right option. So that's why um, this kind of information can give some sort of idea about the beverage company can take some actions to meet the competitor, right, to get some advantage. So that's why in response, a beverage company accelerates the development of its own low sugar natural ingredient uh, included energy drinks as a counter options. Then they can do some promotional campaigns, emphasizing the healthy benefits of their new products. Then they can get some advantage. So then, so proactively adapting to competitive press. Proactively means um, at the same time when the competitors introduce or before competitors introduce, they if they introduce these product, they can get the advantage. So then proactive, you all know that being right before something happened, taking some actions, right? So then if they have these kind of informations, right, proactively adapting to competitive pressure, help the company stay relevant and competitive, potentially capturing the market share. Like that, another studies also they can do the market research studies. So then here a tech company plans to introduce a smartphone device, but initial sales are lower than the expected. So then they do a study why it is lower than expected. The company um, initiate a market research to understand why the product is not performing well as expected. This includes surveys, focus group analysis, and usability test also they can do is like experiments, and from this research can give some idea. While the device is innovative, maybe the innovative function, and customers find it difficult to set up integrate with other smart home system. So additionally, the price point is higher than the similar products in the market. So in product adjustment also they can do that. Based on this feedback, what they can do, companies simplify the setup process and release the software update to improve the compatibility, right? So then be user friendly, people can purchase these things. So now you can understand these are the problem related information they can, right, introduce in the market. And factors helped in the spread of marketing information system. Factors helped in spread. Why marketing information system is spreading fast? There are some factors which help the right implementation of marketing information system. One is the advancements in technology. So then data processing power, cloud computing, internet connectivity as the major aspect. Right here you see the data processing, right? Advancement in technology, specifically data processing power. That now you all know that companies are heavily depends on this data processing. The increase in computing power allows for the processing and analysis of large data sets quickly and efficiently, right? So the increase in computing power, now every organizations are using the computer. So that's why increasing in computer power, right, which help them for processing and analyzing of large data sets quickly and efficiently. Compared to the previous analysis, nowadays it is very easy and quick, accurate, because they can use the computer to do the analysis. So then, example, we can see some personalized marketing campaigns, right? The personalized marketing campaigns. So one a company plan to introduce a e-commerce, right? So then that e-commerce company, like Amazon process, right? Amazon, you all know that it's a very popular online retailer. Amazon process massive amount of data daily, right? Um, how they measure means sometimes millions of people are accessing their websites and do the transaction purchase worldwide, and then they analyze this data. So then you can understand the amount of data, and it's very big data, and they can analyze it, right? So that's why, mm, with the engaged data processing power, you all know that nowadays they have very powerful algorithms, right? Automatically, it can access the data and do the analysis. Like Amazon can analyze shopping behaviors, right? Shopping behaviors, people are visiting to their websites, right? And they are clicking their websites and making order, sometimes putting in the cart and waiting for that, like that they can understand. And preferences, purchase history in real time. So then these all are helping them to have uh, the big data and to analyze, through which they can understand. And this analysis enables an emission to deliver personalized recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns, enhancing customer engagement and increase their sales. So uh, I will show some, right, examples about animation websites. Now you can understand better. Now you can see that this is the animation, right, website. So then these are the, right, their home base. You see the products, and then they write to, right, display the items. Then how they can record all the data, how customers are visiting, right? What are the products they are searching? What are the products they are seeing? And they normally here, MSN customers are having their account, and then, right, they can create the account, and based on that, they can make a purchase, right? So then, if you are interested some gadgets, right? So then this is some, there's of activity trackers and smart watches like that. So then someone is clicking here, right? So then you see the results and prices are there, right? So then people can visit to the different products and they see the product. So then you see the left side of the window. Customers says look great, good values, works well, easy to styles and brand. So the different brands also there, right? Price range also we can search. Recon is a new one, old one, also the used product also available. Special features, display type, right? Brand, material types, item shape, case material type, right? Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, cellular, NFC, USB, Wi-Fi, style. So then when customers are searching, say for example, if they want to have a kind of a device, built-in GPS, EPS, right, active tracker, blood pressure monitor, breath monitor, calorie tracker, distance tracker, elevation tracker, like that. So then this is wearable technologies, sports, badminton, basketball, boating, climbing, cycling, diving. So then wearable computer compatible device, laptop, PC, smartphone, right? So then if we are clicking the smartphone, automatically it will appear these products are compatible with the smartphone, like that, right? So then this is a activity tracker also. When we click the activity tracker, and it will filter for us. So then case material, aluminium, stainless steel, right? We are giving aluminium, right? So then that give the product, right? Display type LCD, AMOLED. So then that will, right, give us. So then from why when we are clicking these items, these are recorded and they can understand the particular customer is interested in the particular style, the materials and device, price range also we can set the price range, right? Then that, right, select the product in the particular range. There's only one is available in that, as we discussed, selected. So Now you see um, the data processing power from these examples you can understand, right? The huge data they can access. And cloud computing, now you all know that for the storage facilities, the cloud technology provides scalable storage. Scalable in the sense, the huge amount, right, in the large scale, they can store it, right? So that cloud technology provides scalable storage solutions and processing capabilities. So that's why making it easier and more cost effective for businesses to implement the marketing information system. Another the factor which help to spread the marketing information system across the organization is the cloud computing technology availability. And example, cost-effective scalability of a small business, right? So then small businesses also, they don't want to have a big data centers or hardware technology to store the data. Simply, they can use this cloud computing, cloud storage facilities computing facilities to analyze the data. For example, a small online retailer use Shopify, a cloud-based e-commerce platform. Shopify, you all know that. As an application, Shopify's cloud computing infrastructure allows the retailer to store a vast amounts of customer and transaction data without needing a significant upfront investments in IT infrastructure. That means they don't want to have their own IT hardware and other supporting infrastructure. They can simply they can go for this online, and the outcome they can get from this, the retailer can scale their operations and marketing information system capabilities as their business grows. So this ensuring they can continuously refine their marketing strategies based on a comprehensive data analysis. So then we can see how this Shopify is working, right? So when you search in the Google, you can get this Shopify, build your store with the Shopify, right? E-commerce platforms. Right, build your own e-commerce website in 3 easy steps. Right, Shopify is trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. So small businesses, they can create their website and they can do the analysis. Choose when customers at the team, add product, start selling, right? So these are the some. This is a website of the Shopify. You can visit to the Shopify website, and you can give you an email address and you can start a free trial and you can see how it is working. Sometimes if you plan to do some retail small businesses with the help of this Shopify, you can create your website and you can do the selling, right? So then cloud computing, now you can understand how it is working and helping the organizations. So they can do the marketing information system with the help of this one. Another one is the internet connectivity. Um, you see, high-speed internet has enabled real-time data collection and reporting, essential for dynamic and responsive marketing strategies. Right, high-speed internet has enabled real-time data collection and reporting. Uh, so, example, real-time social media marketing. Now it is possible with the high help of this internet connectivity. A global brand like a Coca-Cola runs social media campaigns across various platforms, and this all possible with the help of internet connectivity. High-speed internet allows Coca-Cola to collect real-time data on campaign performance, customer interaction, and market trends. Right. So then this help to spread the marketing information system, because the system can collect all this information, and the marketing team can quickly adjust their strategies, such as tweaking creative or targeting a different audience segments based on the real-time data, and leading to more effective and timely marketing efforts, right? Um, uh, so now you see uh, this advancement in technology is helping to uh, increasingly use the marketing information system, right? So like data processing power, cloud computing, internet connectivity, right? Another one, proliferation of data. That means the big data and data analytic tools. So you see uh, the proliferation of data means to the massive growth. So you can understand the huge growth and accessibility of data from a variety of sources, right? So massive growth and accessibility of data from variety of sources, so that is referred as a proliferation. So the kind of, we can say, is a revolution like that. In marketing, this the phenomenon has transformed how businesses understand and engage with customers. So then here are some example we can see, and right? So the big data means, you all know that big data involves a vast volume, variety, and velocity of data generated from multiple sources. That is considered as a big data. That means a vast volume, variety, and velocity. So such as social media, e-commerce, mobile devices, and Internet of Things are the part of this, or they are creating this big data. This explosion of data, explosion means suddenly it's bursting, right? So so it's a huge impact. So the explosion of the data creates a comprehensive and a detailed, right, uh, set of the full of information that marketers can analyze to gain or understand insight into customer behavior and preferences. Example, we can see social media insights. Companies like Coca-Cola leverage or use data from social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to track a brand monitor, to track the brand uh, mentions and customer sentiments and the engagement levels. So by analyzing this data, right, by doing some analysis, they can identify trends they can identify trends, measure the effectiveness of campaign, uh, and adjust their strategies in real time with the help of this social media. And e-commerce personalization, another example, as we discussed, Amazon uses a big data to analyze browsing and purchase histories of millions of customers, right? Millions of customers. This data helps Amazon recommend products specifically suitable to the customer customer preferences. As we discussed earlier, customers are visiting to their website, spending time with some elements, and based on that, these all are recorded in the database, and they can understand the customer preferences, and the next time they can tailor the product. Tailor means it's making or creating the content which is suitable to the customer needs, so preferences, thereby enhancing the shopping experience, right? It's try to enhance. Enhance means like to increase the shopping experience, and increase the sales through personalized marketing. And another one is the mobile data analytics also. The mobile data analytics, now you can, Starbucks is a popular, the coffee, right, for the service providers. Starbucks utilize the data from their mobile app to understand customer purchase patterns. By analyzing these data, they can send the targeted promotion rewards to users, which help in driving repeat purchase and increasing the customer loyalty. Another one we can discuss about Internet of Things. Internet IoT means Internet of Things driven insights. So Nestle, you all know that Nestle is a famous multinational company, uses Internet of Things, enable coffee machine to collect data on coffee consumption patterns. This data helps them understand which products are popular and how often customers um, use their machines, allowing Nestle to optimize their product offerings and to marketing campaigns accordingly. So then uh, we can see these examples from this, right? Starbucks example. Now you see, this is the website of the Starbucks app. So rewarding. Get the best of Starbucks rewards right at your fingertips. Use our mobile app to order ahead and pay at participating locations. So to track the stars and rewards you have earned, whether you have paid with cash, credit card, or Starbucks cards, find stores, redeem offers, and so much more. So then you can see ahead. To order ahead means before you enter to the Starbucks location, so physical store. Using your mobile app, you can make an order and you can visit to this site and you can pay having the product and pay that. So then this is they are promoting it through the apps, right? Mobile apps. So why they are doing that? Because they can access all the customers' information because they encourage the customers by sending the offers, discounts, right? So then you can see here Starbucks apps for iPhone, Starbucks app for Android, right? So then these are examples of Starbucks. Another one we can see if Nestle's coffee, right? In the vendor machine, these are the Nestle's vendor machines. You all know that they are providing this kind of, right? So Nestle aiming to offer our customers only the very best in food and beverage solutions. We offer your hygienic, high quality, popular hot beverages instantly through our vending machines. So these are some examples now we have discussed about. So Internet of Things are helping them, right? Uh, Internet IoT enable coffee machine. This one IoT enable because it is connected with the internet the things, right? So then big data, as we discussed, they are using this all to get the big data and do the analysis. Another one is the data analytic tools they can use. So then here data analytics means advanced data analytic tools and software have become more accessible, allowing businesses to turn a raw data into actionable insights, right? And these tools help marketers to process and analyze a large data set efficiently, uncovering patterns and trends that inform strategic decisions. So when they are using these kind of analytic tools, advanced data analytic tools and software have become more accessible, allowing businesses to turn raw data into actionable insights. So then they can use some example, Google Analytics. Businesses use Google Analytics to track and analyze website traffic. It provides insight into user behavior, demographics, and uh, effectiveness of marketing campaigns. For example, an e-commerce retailer can track the performance of various marketing channels, email, social media, right? And optimize the strategies based on which channels drive the most conversation, right? Conversion means, right, sorry, uh, how they can, right, convert the audience into customer. So then we can see the Google Analytics. Right, then this is the, you see the Google Analytics, right? Get essential customer insights, get start, see what is in for you. So then if they try to get these services, Google Analytics allow us to look at our data across platforms, web and apps to understand the full journey of our users. We have been able to cut our reporting time by 50%. So because with the help of the algorithm automatically, right? Uh, so then they can provide this all. You see, Google Ads, search ads, display and videos, Google Cloud, Google Search. So then, so these are the technologies now uh, uh, assist to spread the marketing information system, because everything is connected. There is with the system, right? So then advanced analytical tools and software have become more accessible, allowing business to run data into actionable insight. So now you see this, now there are more right factors available today. We have discussed two factors, these advanced technologies and proliferation of data helps to spread the marketing information system across the globe. Uh, that's all. We can stop here. If you have anything, you can ask.